Hello guys, welcome to Legit Boss once again. In this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about this latest update on BTTC. Okay, today is the withdrawal for BTTC USDT team reward. Okay, for those of you who have been earning on this platform and then you have much interest on withdrawing your money, please, it is very necessary you watch this video from beginning to the end, because in this video I will be talking about some certain things which we all should understand before proceeding to make this withdrawal. But before I proceed, guys, if this is the first time you're coming across my channel or first time you're hearing my voice, my name is Sparky, aka Legit Boss, and what I do on this channel is all about business. I share money making updates every day on this channel. So if you're an online hustler, all you need to do for you not to miss out any of my latest updates is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified with latest updates every day on money making. Then at the end of this video, I'm going to be leaving our Telegram group link in the comment section. So after watching this video, you can go to comment section and join our Telegram group, okay? Because I'll be passing a very important announcement on that Telegram channel today, because this video I am making now, you might not be able to place your withdrawal now, because I'm going to make another video if we are to withdraw or not. But this video, I want to explain some certain things you should know, the risk involved when withdrawing this USDT they have promised us. That is the purpose of this video. The next video is if we are to withdraw or not. Is there proof or not? Please watch this video and listen to me very attentively. Okay, now this USDT we have accumulated on this platform. When you click on team, you see this place here, team. You see that if you invite 5 people, you also get USDT. You invite 10 people, you get USDT. You can see this place here. You can see this place here. You get USDT when you invite people. Then when you click on me, that's your profile. You can see the total amount of USDT I have here. I'm having about 1600 USDT, 1600 USDT I am having here. That's because I clear all the levels. Okay. And then when you come to home, you can see the option where you can see the news, the pop-up news that USDT withdrawal channel is open now since the bonus period. You can see this here. Dear users, the USDT channel you have been waiting for is now open, and in order to ensure the efficient circulation of your funds, we have specially sorted out the core rules to help you operate easily. Free policy: the withdrawal fee for all users is undefined at 15.16 TRS. That's Tron. Okay, please take note of this. So that is the reason why I am making this video, because of these charges that is involved. That is the reason why I am making this video. You can see for all users who have participated in the burning event, the fee will be automatically returned to the account in full after the withdrawal settlement, and you can enjoy zero cost withdrawal, recharge and bond benefit. New user can start withdrawals with a minimum recharge of 100 TRS, and then the excess TRS can be flexibly withdrawn or participated in burning. All this one is not necessary for us. So now when you click on withdraw option here, if you have verified the account, everything will automatically appear. And then when you click on this place, you can see select currency. When you click on select currency, you can see the USDT here. So when you select USDT here, when you enter the amount now, let's say I want to withdraw 800 USDT, and then you enter you click on submit. Then they'll ask you for your transaction password. So when they ask you for your transaction password, you put your transaction password. Then you see this is what is going to show you. Minor fee is required, which means that before we can actually withdraw this money, that we need to pay TRS. And I have discussed with some of my friends. As you know, this is risk. As we all know what source layer airdrop did, they scam people of their hard-earned $5.6. Now this one is about to do the same. We don't know if they're going to scam or if they're going to pay. So I have decided with some of my friends that, okay, let one of us try it. If it works, if one of us is going to pay this 15 TRS, this 15 TRS worth $5 plus. This 15 TRS worth $5 plus. So if they actually pay one of us, then I will now make another video that we should do what? Withdraw. So for now, I cannot say you should pay this money. If you pay this money now and you lose it, you see, it's a bad business for us. So we cannot play a lose-lose business. So we have to play a win-win business. So that is it, guys. So one of my friend, she has already deposited and then she has placed withdrawal. So we are waiting for the withdrawal to be sent to be approved. So if the money is being sent to her account, then I'm going to make another video, and when I make that video, it's going to be posted on our Telegram group. Please take note, if you are not in our Telegram group, the link of our Telegram group is in the comment section. You can go to the comment section, join our Telegram group, so that once we receive the update, and if peradventure she did not receive the money, then we are not going to withdraw. I'm also going to make video that you should stay out of this platform, and then if you want to continue with their mining this thing, if you are okay with it, you can continue mining with their mining free. At least when you mine this BTTC, you can actually withdraw it to Binance. But the truth of the matter is that it's wasting of time to me, because the amount you are going to be accumulating is very little, not even up to 1 cent. So that's total waste of time to me. That is the reason why I stopped mining on this platform. I have made video earlier explaining all that. But if you have interest in mining, you can still mine. But for now, this USDT withdrawal, please don't place withdrawal for now. Wait from now till evening. I will update you guys on if you have to withdraw or not. Let one of my friends that plays withdrawal, let's see if they pay her, so that we know that we are on safe side. We don't want to carry our $5 and give to these people for free. No. It's not going to happen like that, guys. So we have to play it safely. That is why I am called Legit Boss. I guide you guys to the right path. So that is what we are going to do. Thank you for watching this video. And if you're not in our Telegram group, make sure to join, because that is where the second video, if you have to withdraw or not, will be posted. Okay, the link is in the comment section of this video. Then if you have another question, please feel free to comment below. And then don't forget, there is love in sharing. A lot of people might not know what is going on this platform, so you sharing this video will really save a lot of people, to really help a lot of people. And may God bless you as you share this video. Thank you.